In this video, I'm going to show you 4 ways in which you can use MailVU in ELT. Number 1, for grammar explanations or for grammar tutorials. If you have a small board like the one I am going to show you in a second, a board like this with a marker, then you could actually display information on the board for the students to see and just give short explanations. Let's have a look at the use of the adverb only, modifying different parts of speech. If you place the word only here at the very front, only I spoke to her. I was the only person. Nobody else spoke to her, just me. Yeah. Whereas if you put it here, I only spoke to her. Yeah, I didn't do anything else. I didn't try to chat her up or anything. I only spoke to her. I spoke only to her. Yeah, not to anybody else, just her, not to her sister or her brother or her mother. I spoke only to her, etc. So you could, just get a board like this and a marker, and then you can just provide short video tutorials or grammar explanations that your students can watch at home or on the move, wherever they happen to be outside the classroom. In any case, number 2. You can bring a guest speaker to class. You can ask a friend to create a video for you, a native speaker of English or a competent user of English. They can create short videos for you that you can play in class, and then the students can watch those videos. You can ask questions to test understanding. The students may create some questions for your guest speaker to make a second recording addressing those questions from the students. So bringing a guest speaker to class, I think it's a great way of introducing authentic use of language in the classroom and spicing your lessons up. Number 3, the students can use this tool at home or from their phones if they have the app, and make recordings and play those videos and have a look at those videos and analyze those videos. They don't actually need to share the videos. They just can play them back and then just delete them. But it's a good way for the students to practice speaking or to practice reading. And finally, you could model speaking tests. In my case, my students have to take a speaking exam at the end of the school year, and you or a good student could make recordings to provide a good example of a speaking exam, and the rest of the students can watch that and analyze how analyze aspects such as pronunciation or intonation, organization, range of vocabulary. It's very useful for dialogues as well, for role plays, for functional language.